What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Travel with G, and I am here at the Kalahari Resorts in Sandusky, Ohio. Now, if you've been following the channel for a long time, you know this is one of my family and I's favorite spots to come. We've done videos on this place in the past. I'm here inside the room actually. I wanted to give y'all a tour of the room. Y'all know that's what we do on this channel. You know, anytime, majority of the time when you see me in the video, you already know what's going down. I'm finna give you a tour of the resort or a tour of the room or both. So right now, real quick, I'm gonna show you this room. Starting here at the door. Sink and mirror situation right here. Boom. Real simple. Bathroom, toilet, shower. Standard situation. I'll let y'all see. Very clean. One of the reasons why I love this resort so much. Cleanliness. Look at that. No dirt. No dirt inside the grout. Fantastic. We got us a standard 2-queen room right here. You see the beds, real nice and clean. My wife already disinfected. Nice little picture over here. Picture of a gorilla like that. Got a nice little balcony out here. You see the door right there. I'll show y'all what the balcony look like. You know, something simple, not too crazy. You know what I mean? Boom, got the table right here. Mirror, and that is it, y'all. The TV. And that's how we living for the next day and a half. So that's what it is, man. My family already down at the pool. I gotta run and catch up with them. But listen, y'all stick around. And if you stick around, I'll let you catch some of that pool action with us. I'll see y'all at the pool.
Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now. Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now. On the floor, I feel so alive. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up.
What's up, y'all? It's the next morning. So I showed y'all the room yesterday. We went down, had fun at the pool, ate good food. I forgot to get footage or even just pictures of the food, but when I tell you, y'all, the top thing to get here is definitely the pizza. Like, the pizza is second to none over here. I don't know what kind of cheese they use, dough, whatever. Excellent. That is my personal recommendation. And whenever you come to Kalahari, Sandusky at least, I don't know about the other locations, but here in Sandusky, the pizza is fire. But anyway, we ate the pizza, you know what I'm saying, and then that was that. So now it's the next morning. As you can see, I'm standing out here next to the elephants. They're keeping me company this morning, y'all, or whatever. But you know, I done already showed y'all what the campus looked like already. If you wanna see some of my past videos where I done went through the entire resort and everything, you can just go to my videos and check those out. I got a couple of videos where I went through the entire resort and showed you what it looked like. However, they did do some like updates or whatever. They laid some new carpet down. They painting the walls. Like the walls, if you ever been here before, do you remember the walls was like I remember the the lighting in the hallway being really dim and the colors being like dark. And now they kind of like brightened it up a lot. The walls are white now. They got fresh bright lights in the hallway, fresh carpet, all of that. It's looking real good. They doing something kind of weird in the lobby portion of it. They have taken away all of the checkout counters, checkout or check-in counters, and they are replacing them with kiosks. So what it looks like is they are trying to take this resort well, right now it's completely cashless. So you can't use any cash here on the resort, and it's been like that now. I want to say, I could be wrong, but I want to say it's been about 2 or 3 years now, give or take. Could be more, could be less, I don't know. But for a while, I'd just say for a long while, you have not been able to use cash here on Kalahari Sandusky property. So it looks like they're trying to take things as pretty much as digital, or however you want to say it, digital, virtual, whatever, as they can. And so they have completely got rid of the checkout, check-in counter, and there are kiosks lined up for you to check in and do all of your business there. However, this is the weird part. The weird part is when I came in yesterday, they had all of the kiosks lined up and they were directing people to the kiosks. But when I got to the kiosk is telling me to go see a guest services. So that's what happened to me yesterday when I got here. Today when I walked through the lobby, almost all of the kiosks except for 2 of them have been pushed off to the side and turned off. So I take that as maybe there may be only 2 of those kiosks out of, I don't know, 10 or 15 that they had up there. Only 2 of them are working, and so they pushed the other ones off to the side. So I don't know what's happening with that. Even though they had the kiosks set up, you still had to go see guest services and check in anyway. So that's the weird part. I don't know. I guess they having some technical difficulties with that and everything. But all in all, great stay. If I was to rate the food, I'm sorry, I got to do better with the pictures, man. The food came, got delivered, and we was hungry and we smashed it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't even gonna lie. But the food was number 1, off top 10 out of 10, man. It did take a little time for the food to get there, but once it did, man, oh man, it was super good. But that's it, y'all. I got some more videos coming. I got some other things I'm working on and everything like that. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop a video on this channel. And as I always say, don't forget to stress less and travel more. And I will see you again in the next video. Peace.